Hey everyone, coming to you with some exciting news regarding cross-brand compatibility for Bluetooth intercom. Now, last year we released a thing called OBI, which stands for Open Bluetooth Intercom, which established seamless intercom pairings with manufacturers that adopted OBI. This update enables cross-brand pairing to go much further. Users of Cardo's current product range, those which have the version 5.2 Bluetooth chip, can now pair directly with the latest generation of Sena communicators simply by using the standard Bluetooth intercom pairing mode on both sides. Now this means no more trying to find or trying to use universal intercom pairing mode. The pairing process and the connection is just as if you were connecting and communicating between two devices of the exact same brand. It also means that neither side has to sacrifice one of its mobile phone pairing channels, which is typically the case when pairing one brand to another brand. Both sides can still make or receive phone calls, receive GPS instructions, stream music just like they normally would. Now, if your headset supports parallel audio streaming, you still retain that capability. Just note, sharing music between two different brands is not supported. In this video, we'll show you a few examples of pairing these Cardo products with the Sena 50S, the 50R, the 30K, the 20S Evo, and the SF-R, which is the same as the SF-4. We're going to start with the PackTalk, so if you have a Freecom X or Spirit line, feel free to skip ahead in the video. Here we're using the PackTalk Edge. The exact same thing applies to PackTalk Neo and even PackTalk Custom if you have Bluetooth intercom activated. In all scenarios, you want to make sure that you switch the unit over to Bluetooth intercom mode, either via the buttons or the Cardo Connect app. Then you press and hold the intercom button to start Bluetooth intercom pairing mode. On the Sena 50S, you'll press and hold the jog dial to enter its native intercom pairing mode. Once both units are flashing red and looking for each other, we simply wait for them to connect. As soon as the units pair up, the intercom will activate automatically, and these two units are talking to each other. Both units will use their standard intercom operations, so tapping the jog dial on the Sena will close the intercom session. Tapping the intercom button on the Cardo will open it, indicated by the double flashing blue light. Tapping the intercom button again will close the intercom session. We can open it from the Sena side, tap the jog dial, wait for the double blue flash. Intercom is now open, and we can close it by tapping that same jog dial again. Once your PackTalk's in Bluetooth intercom pairing mode, simply go to the standard intercom pairing mode of that latest generation Sena model. As you can see, that process differs depending on the model, but once you have both units in their standard intercom pairing mode, simply wait for the two to pair. Once connected, the intercom will automatically be opened, and both sides will have their standard intercom controls to either open or close the intercom conversation between the two units. Next, we look at the Freecom 4X, which would use the same process as the Freecom 2X. Just press and hold the intercom button to put the Cardo into intercom pairing mode. And on the Sena side, put it into its normal intercom pairing mode, just as if you were to be pairing it with another Sena device. And when the pairing is complete, the intercom will open automatically. These two will be talking. Now both sides have control of the intercom, so you could close it on the Sena side. On the Cardo side, tapping the intercom button would initiate the intercom. These two devices would now be talking to each other. Tapping that intercom button one more time would disconnect them from talking. On the Sena side, they can initiate the intercom using their normal method, and we would know that these two are talking once we see the double blue flashing lights. Intercom is now open, and tapping it again would close it. And of course, the same fluid compatibility will exist with the latest generation of models. We'll finish with the Spirit model, which shares the same pairing method as the Spirit HD. Just press and hold the rear intercom pairing button to put the Cardo into intercom pairing mode. On the Sena device that you'll be pairing with, go to its standard intercom pairing mode, as if we were pairing it to another Sena device, and we wait for them to connect. Once they do connect, the intercom will open automatically, and these two units, they'll be talking. Both sides have control, so you could close the intercom session using the Sena. You could initiate the intercom session by doing a 2-second hold on the Spirit. You could then close the intercom session by doing a 2-second hold on the Spirit as well. You could initiate the intercom session by tapping the normal intercom button on the Sena device. We'll know that the intercom is active when we see those double blue flashes. And of course, close it using the Sena as well. This too will be the case when going to pair your Cardo to their latest generation of models. And that's it. We hope you enjoy this new capability. We'll see you next time.